Manipuri boxer Mandengbom Jadumani settles for silver medal in men's 55 kg boxing event of the ongoing Commonwealth Games in Glasgow. In the final match that was played today, Australia's Jadumani defeated Jadumani to claim the gold medal. The opening round caught observers by surprise when Jadumani Mandengbom edged it 3-2 with a flurry of late punches, responding to Dixon's early success with backhand counters. However, the second round saw Dixon assert full control, sweeping all 5 judges 5-0 with sharp, well-timed combinations. Knowing he held the upper hand on the scorecards, the Australian adopted a measured approach in the final frame, expertly countering Jadumani Mandengbom's relentless attacks. Despite a fierce late surge from the Indian pugilist in the dying seconds, Dixon secured the gold via a unanimous decision, leaving Jadumani Mandengbom to proudly claim a well-deserved silver. Meanwhile, despite the loss, family members of Jadumani at Irasham Balarembam Lekai celebrated the silver medal win of 22-year-old boxer. Speaking on a sideline, Mandengbom Milan, Jadumani's uncle, expressed happiness for Jadumani, who has won silver medal on his first Commonwealth Games. He also encouraged the boxer to work hard and change the color of his medal in the upcoming Asian Games, which will be hosted in Japan next month.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯤꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯒꯣꯜ ꯂꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯆꯦꯠꯄ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯥꯒꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯒꯦꯝꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯃꯟ ꯒꯦꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯆꯪꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯑꯁꯣꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯌꯥꯟ ꯒꯦꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁ ꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯦꯠꯄ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯔꯒꯅꯤ